spotted a venomous sea snake. Yeah, innit? Moved to the UK, all Hawaiians. Right,
One of the shopkeepers comes over and goes, hey guys, can you do me a favor? And can you just stop?
Hi, welcome to today's video. We are in a treehouse on North Shore, Hawaii. So we've come up to the north of Oahu for our second half of our trip on the island of Oahu before we go over to Maui. Georgie's going to give you the tour.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to the treehouse tour. Let me just, might take me a minute just to get down. Right, sorry about that. This is one of the living areas. Got some nice coral, really nice little living area. Coming through into the kitchen area. Also, we only share this with, I think, 2 other bedrooms, which I think will have 2 people in. So yeah, nice. Come up here, outdoor seating area. We had our breakfast here this morning. Shut up, Max. Right. He's trying to rush me, but come on. Front decking, seats, more seating. This is where we look at that view.
Yeah, that's sick.
We're literally in a treehouse in the middle of the jungle of Hawaii. Right. Room number F, our penthouse suite. So this is our bed.
Very messy.
But yeah, it's very hot in here, but look at that view. Makes it all worth it.
Yeah. Palm trees on the wall.
I'd also like to add that it does have a full-length mirror, which is a gem that most hostels don't offer.
Yep.
Come through here.
I think that's someone else's room. I don't think we're allowed in.
Let me just look at the view.
Oh.
Nope. Look at that. Look through. Come on, don't be shy. Just the bathroom, pretty standard. Right.
So thanks Georgie for doing the tour. We are now going to head over to that beach over there. Sun's coming out now.
I'd just like to mention a little detail I forgot about the tour. This is just our floor. There's multiple other floors that have all of these amazing facilities.
Thanks George.
Yeah, sorry.
And just like that we have arrived at beach number 1. George, do you know the name of this beach?
Huh?
Do you know the name of this beach?
I'm not sure, but we can find out.
We'll find out for you, but look, crystal clear water. We're gonna have a dip in that little drink. So this beach here is next to Sharks Cove. Sharks Cove is all the way over there, and we're going in this one. So we'll take in the water. I've come out all this way, and there's a bit of a drop, so I'm going to go down. We've just had our swim, just coming back to the base camp. I've just seen some people coming from this rocky area, so I'm going to go have a little explore. Hopefully I don't cut my feet or die. Look how nice it is though, it's actually sick. It's just a bit busy. There's a massive beach over there. I got it up on the drone. It looks so sick. Like the water's amazing colour and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna try and traverse this, if that's even the word. Climb. Doing pretty well at the moment. Oh wow, the water from up here looks amazing. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna keep going. Right, I've made it even higher successfully. Georgie is all the way over there, if you can see her. I'm gonna go around and see what the view has. And that's what it has on the other side. I might try get down to the bottom there. Maybe you can jump in. Yeah, gonna give it a little go. Never mind, it's very windy and this is just the view, but it's still pretty cool. Gonna head back, and then I think me and George are gonna walk all the way down that road. I'm back from exploring and I found Georgie. Are you ready?
Ready,
Head to the next place. Where?
I guess we'll just go around and have a little look.
Go around and have a little look. I did see some rock pools there.
Oh,
Not
really?
cave pools, yeah, rock pools.
Oh, sick.
Should we check that out?
Yeah.
Right, seems we're gonna go check out them rock pools all the way over there. We've just left the beach, found myself a little Suron. Have a little spin on that.
Oh, I thought you said it's still wrong.
No, it's like one of those electric bikes. I swear they're like illegal in the UK. Look how sick that looks though. That's sick. Fancy go, George?
I'm not sure about that.
Right, we're gonna head down there and head for the cave pools. Hopefully we arrive safely.
Why wouldn't we? Yeah, excuse the wind, but we just went to the shop, Foodland to be exact.
Got
a few things, and then we were filming in there just to do something, and then one of the shopkeepers comes over and goes, hey guys, can you do me a favor and can you just stop filming please within the store?
No photos within the store.
Like as if we were like, I don't know, I think I literally was just filming. My pineapple Fanta, so weird. When we were in Samoa I kept having pineapple Fantas because they seemed to have them everywhere, and they was really good though. And then when we were in the shop I was like, oh, do you know what I need right now? Pineapple Fanta. And literally we looked up because we were looking at the drinks, was a pineapple Fanta.
Just lying there.
But just one, and it wasn't even marked. Yeah. Like, just one right at the back, I could see it.
So you grabbed it straight away,
I did, I thought, gotta buy that.
Yep.
Even though it probably cost me like £3, but...
Arm and a leg, that shop cost.
Yes, thank you, God.
So after George demolishes the pineapple Fanta, we're gonna head to them cave pools where we were walking from. That was the beach we were at before. Cave pools are just down here. We did see them when coming out of that shop. It looked pretty cool. So we're gonna have a dip in there, aren't we, George?
We are indeed.
So we'll go to the cave pools now. And we have arrived at the cave pools or something. Cave pools? Oh, rock pools, rock
like
formations.
I don't really know.
Yeah. There seems to be about 100 people, not 100,
no,
1,000 people. We might go in. We'll see. What do you reckon, George?
Sorry, I just got a bit distracted. It is kind of shallow.
It does look shallow. We're gonna go closer, check it out, I reckon. We've come a bit further down from around there before, and we found a really cool spot. It's a bit quieter. We might have a little swim all the way out there. That looks sick, doesn't it, George? That's amazing. Yeah, well, I'm definitely gonna have a swim in. Are you coming, George?
Yeah, I don't know if you can call that a swim, but yeah, I will.
Nah, in the deep bit, in a pool over there, in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right. Catch us in the water. It's amazing, just too many people, unfortunately, but we're still gonna go in. And then we might, yeah, we do contribute. We might walk around there to, is it Sharks Bay? Sharks Cove?
No idea.
Yeah, I think there's a sharks place around there, so we might go around there after this. But for now, hop in the drink. We have successfully made it to the bottom of the rocks. Thought I'd show you some cool fish down there. Hopefully you can see them. We're gonna go around and have a swim down there though, so we'll cut to that now. Right. Oh, that's crazy. Whoa. Just go this way, yeah. You're okay, buddy. Oh, that is sick. We've just spotted a venomous sea snake that was following that guy. That was pretty hilarious, but it's disappeared now. We're gonna still head over to there. Apparently you can see turtles, so hopefully we'll see one of them. We've just spotted a million fish. Look at Georgie wanted to show you her pink mask.
Oh, he always says this. And it makes it out like I've said, oh, Max, get the camera out. Like, I haven't said that.
No, well, I think the mask is really cool, so I want to show everyone Georgie's mask. There you go.
Well, it doesn't match my bikini, but it's also pink.
Pink. We've seen a load of great fish there. Still on the hunt for a turtle, though.
Everybody in this whole entire rock creek, oh, Jesus, keeps looking for like turtles and stuff. So Max keeps shouting, oh my god, that's a turtle, that's a turtle. And everyone keeps coming over, but... Turtle! Oh, that's so cute.
see over there, there is a dog, and it's absolutely adorable. I would have. What do you say, Judge?
Saying it was swimming with its owner.
Yeah, it's cute. I would have swim over there. There's a drop off. This is called Sharks Cove where we are now. I don't think you see any sharks though. Been hunting for a turtle, haven't found one, so got to head back in and find Georgie now. Sharks Cove all complete then. Just arrived, found Georgie. We're thinking of going where tonight, George?
There's a
or soon?
Well, there's a beach called Sunset Beach, like 26-minute walk away. But apparently that's supposed to be the best place to see the sunset on the island. I've
really?
Seen on TikTok.
On the island?
Seen on TikTok.
Oh, well, definitely go there then.
The sun doesn't set for another 2 hours-ish.
Okay.
Just under, so.
So we'll probably just have a bit of a chill then, yeah? Bit of a chill, and then we'll go Sunset Beach, watch sunset. Hopefully my drone's got charge. We've decided against that Sunset Beach then, and we're just going to head to a beach over there, the one we were at earlier, to watch the sunset instead. I've just seen this sign. This is some of the fish that we saw today. I've seen that one, that one, that one, saw that. Oh, which is dangerous. Urchins, fireworms. Yeah, well, we didn't touch, luckily. Oh, we also seen that. These have little like whiskers and they dig in the sand. Georgia showed me that one. Yeah, this is the name of the place where we're at. I think it's Sharks Cove as well, otherwise known as. And you can see turtles sometimes there. So we're gonna head over there and watch sunset now. On the way, we have come to Hawaii's best fish tacos. We're not gonna get one now. Georgie's there. But I think we'll come back later and grab one of them. There's a sunrise shack and a, what's this? A cockerel? A rooster? Chicken?
Oh, they got smoothies.
I wonder. Smoothies? Should go back in the morning?
Yeah.
It looks
We'll
nice.
come here tomorrow after that.
Should have a look. And the menu. Oh yeah, they look good actually. Monkey bowl.
Oh, I think you order over there.
Ah. Oh, yeah, this looks decent. We may come back tomorrow, depending if we are awake. You are given one sunrise a day. Oh, it looks cool, this place, actually. Oh, look at the surf photos, that's sick. Yeah, now we've explored this, we're going to keep going to... We're going to stop off at the hostel we're staying at, then go back out for sunset. We've just arrived back at the accommodation. Got myself a little chocolate donut and a water, and gonna wait for the sunset a bit. Can't really see it because of that, but if you go over there, you can see it. So I'm gonna wait a bit longer and then stick the drone up once the sun's set a bit.
Okay, so we have just been chilling for a little bit. Sunset is not that good. I mean, well, it looks sick here. Like that looks really good. But then over there, where Max just put the drone up, it's not really focusing, but it's just quite cloudy. But now we are about to head to Foodland for probably the 4th time today, I think. As we forgot a few bits, but it's literally like 5 minutes down the road. So, ready for a fun-filled night of, what's the word, admin, doing bits and bobs that we've been putting off. But because the Wi-Fi's so good, so it'd be a shame to not use it.
Yeah. And just like that, we have arrived at our favourite destination in North Shore, Foodland. The sunset looks quite nice. If only I put up the drone now and not 15 minutes ago.
Becoming the new IGA.
Yeah, this is becoming the new IGA.
IGA in Adelaide, like
in Australia.
Today.
Yeah. So yeah.
So no filming inside the store.
Yeah, no filming, no film.
Max.
Georgie. No filming in the store. We have acquired the goods. Cheerios. What's this one, George? Crunchy cinnamon
Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Yeah, that was very expensive. I think these are usually like 10 bucks. 10 bucks each. Yeah, it was like $9.29 usually.
Oh, you mean like when they're not on sale?
They're on special for like 2 for $5. but $10 each. Are you taking a Michael?
Get that in Aldi for like £1 each.
Yeah, innit? Move to the UK, all Hawaiians. Right, what's the crack now,
all
George?
the Hawaiians watching this.
Move to the UK. What's the crack, George?
Head home and
head home. Have a little bowl of cereal and a pizza, maybe. Oh, sorry. Womp womp.
Okay, so we are now back at the house. I think we're going to end the very exciting vlog here, as we are now chilling for the evening and we need a break from this. It's really hard. Try being an influencer for a day. You know what that's from?
What?
He has no idea. Max is having this. I mean, I think that actually might just be like a fruit bowl or something.
I think it is a fruit bowl.
Or like a decoration bowl, like one of the ones that you put like your keys in.
Gone with Cheerios. Very sweet. I've
like
missed
honey.
all the ingredients, but I'd probably still be here tomorrow. So, like, subscribe, follow us both on Instagram, and see you in tomorrow's video.
Bye.